Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish, elegant, and creative collection of hand embroidered borderline embroidery borders, along with a very beautiful collection of mesmerizing and eye-catchy floral combination of spray and all over embroidery patterns. So, before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you would remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, you can design your dupatta, shawls, sari pallus, strollers, scarves, even your shirts with the help of these very beautiful, classy, and eye-catchy, trendy all-over embroidery patterns of embroidery. And not only this, you can also get more creative ideas relevant to hand embroidery on daily basis by staying up to date on our channel. And guys, simple and easy beginner-friendly embroidery patterns like the use of chain stitch, French knot, satin stitch, Brazilian embroidery, along with a very beautiful and delicate touch of Indian and traditional style Pakistani embroidery. A beautiful collection have been shared with you in this video. Guys, one more thing that we never claim to reclaim someone else's work as our own. Our only purpose and intended activity is to share beautiful patterns of embroidery with you on daily basis. And the purpose and basic motive is sharing ideas only. Guys, if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices as well because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level. And with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Guys, as you know, that summer season is full blooming, so you can make use of plain fabric, Doria fabric, self print fabric, crochet fabric, and different type of linen, cotton, organic fabrics to keep yourself comfy and stylish at the same time. So stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and keep watching our content and keep showering your love as you always have been.